Hi, so in this video we're going to have a quick look at some of the key features of the Husqvarna 300 series power washer. Some of the main features of the pressure washer is it has an induction motor and a metal pump, and this helps make it a lot more durable and also reduces the sound compared to your average pressure washer. It has an easy cable, wheel and handle, again for easy setup and storage. From taking it out of the box it took around 2 minutes to get it set up. Some of the other features that I like so far would be that it has some big wheels and a telescopic handle again, so it's very easy to maneuver around as you use it, and then to just store it once you're finished with it. And then with the handle you have adjustable heights, again if you want to use something that's a little bit more close up, or if you're standing when using it. Let's have a look at some of the individual features on the machine.